Welcome to our channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, a narrow pattern has formed from the month of April of 25 and there is a continuous downfall, and I've clearly explained you that as soon as the price started going above 3400 there is a higher chances of further upside. Now if you look at this continuous trend, there is a continuous upside and a high of around 34 and a half, high of around 43.87 is there, and as soon as the price started going below this level we have seen there is a continuous downfall. The price is very close to strong support of $4059. So what we can see, it can bounce back from this level, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see the price can move towards a level of $4004, and this level is already weak, so we can see it will fall further down. Okay, now two things that you have to understand, that the price if touches a level of $4004, okay, there is a higher chances it will fall further down. But if the price started touching above a level of $4382, a further upside can be seen, because 4387 is already weak, so we can see the price can rise above that level. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see, if you look at this particular chart, chances are very high that it can come down towards a level of $53, okay, and if it bounce back we can see further upside. But if it started falling below this level, chances are very high it will fall below a level of $4004, and then we can see the next support coming directly at $3901. Okay, and if the price falling below this level, a further downfall can be seen. If it started going below that level, a further downfall can be seen towards a level of $3889, and if the price falling below $3889, a further fall can be seen towards $3798. okay, this is a support too. And if the price fall below this level, a further fall can be seen after $3798 to a level of $3761, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall also can be seen. Okay, but if the price keep moving above this level, what we can see, the price has already touched a level of around $4004 and moved upside towards $4091. Suppose if it started sustaining above this level, we can see the next support coming directly, next resistance coming directly at $4381, okay, which is already an high, which is already tested, so we can see the price can move further upside. And yes, after that a probability of touching 4400 can be seen, and then to a level of 4450 to a level of 4500, and if the price sustain above 4500, probability of going towards 4550 can be seen. Best what you can do, you can trail your SL. If you are trailing your SL by $15 to $20, that is very important, so you capture a big movement towards an upside if the price goes above that level. Or you can do by 20 to 25, okay, if the volatility is less, or reduce the quantity. Okay, put your SL twice as well as target by keeping quantity half. Okay, so if the price touches a level of 4381, there is a probability we can see further upside. So by trailing you can capture a higher movement. But if it started falling below a level of around $4004, you can again trail your SL, so you capture a big movement towards